today's video, we are going to see how to make a square bed. Start by laying out the entire fitted sheet on the bed. Then, open the top of the fitted sheet. You can now place the duvet on the fitted sheet. One by one, insert the ends of the duvet into the corners of the fitted sheet. And then stretch the cover and duvet over the bed. Do the same for the other corner. After that, you can adjust the duvet by pulling the fitted sheet. Stretch it out on the bed. And at last, tuck the bed in. That's it! You know how to make a square bed. Thanks for watching the video. Please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. See you soon!